If space and food are abundant, populations of organisms will expand geometrically, as first noted by Thomas Malthus. When resources become limiting, this is no longer possible. Darwin's key driver for evolution is natural selection. Essentially, a given set of environmental conditions, biotic factors such as food supply, predation, or disease, promotes the reproductive success of individuals carrying certain favourable mutations, but also selects against other less favourable mutations. Selection can be applied artificially by humans, as in selective breeding of crop plants, for instance the many vegetables derived from wild cabbage. Also livestock animals or pets, generating the huge variety of modern breeds within the short timescale of human history. Inadvertent artificial selection is also well documented, notably the ability of pests to evolve pesticide resistance, often within a few years. The distinction between favourable and unfavourable mutations is context dependent rather than absolute. The sickle cell mutation is common in West African populations, even though full-blown sickle cell disease in individuals with 2 mutated gene copies is usually fatal. However, carriers of the sickle cell trait with 1 normal and 1 mutated gene copy are not only healthy, but also have increased resistance to malaria. The combined effects of all genes on an individual's reproductive success, as reflected in progeny numbers, is described by the aggregate term fitness, and this is what is implied by survival of the fittest. Artificial selection, as in the examples given earlier, has produced significant changes within very short timescales compared to the 4.5 billion year age of the Earth and 3.5 billion years of life on its surface. These timings are in turn based on the geological record, using best estimates for the ages of different rock strata derived from invariant rates of isotope decay. It is plausible that geological time spans are sufficient to allow the diversification of life on Earth through evolution by natural selection.